The Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G, launched in January 2025, offers a blend of advanced features and innovative design. 6.83-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2800 by 1:7 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. High screen-to-body ratio of 93.8%. The Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process technology. Up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 512 GB. 50-megapixel main camera equipped with a Sony IMX896 sensor and up to 3x optical zoom. Front camera 32 megapixel. Dual SIM support with 5G connectivity. Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0. 6000 mAh battery. 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB. Storage, priced at $29,999. 8 GB RAM plus 156 GB. Storage, priced at $31,999. 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, priced at $34,999. The device is available in color options like pearl white, bicane purple, and sway gray.